Hi, I'm Scott Parks with Tri-West Technical Services. Today we're going to be talking about how to install Konecto floating LVT. All MetroFloor products require a minimum of 24 to 48 hours of acclimation or conditioning prior to installation. Also, temperature requirements are between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 hours before, during, and 24 hours after installation. MetroFloor requires the subfloor to be clean and flat within 3/16 and 10 feet. Any cracks in the subfloor should be filled with a cementitious patch. You always want to leave a 1/4 inch expansion between the flooring and the wall. Konecto requires that you roll each seam with a Konecto hand roller, and then after installation, roll the entire job with a 100-pound roller in both directions. It is recommended when installing Konecto over a concrete substrate to first put down a 6mm poly plastic and then install your Konecto on top of the plastic. When you're rolling out your 6mm plastic, you want to make sure that you overlap it by at least 6 to 8 inches on the seams. For added comfort and acoustical values, you can use the Konecto sound reduction underlayment. Simply lay it out, roll it out, and you're ready to install your Konecto flooring. When making a seam in your Konecto sound reduction underlayment, the seams should be cut net to each other, butted together. When installing Konecto, you want to work with the grip strip facing you. At the beginning walls, you want to remove the grip strip, the overlapping part of the grip strip. This is simply done by using a utility knife and scoring it from the back and then just cutting it off to remove the overlap. Then we can go ahead and start. We want to go ahead and apply the grip strips together, drop it in, making sure we're starting straight, and then with the Konecto hand roller, roll it together. The next one, we're going to start at approximately about 1 foot from the end of the wall. And we'll use our laminate cutter. And again, we're going to apply the overlap to the underlap and let it fall into place. Using our hand roller and roll as we go. Next, we'll apply a full plank. We'll put in the end joint first, and then we'll let the long joint come down. Using the hand roller, roll it in, and continue to the other end of the room. We want to do the end joint first, and then let the long joint drop in place, and then roll back towards the end joint. The next piece, we want to cut approximately 2.5 feet, maintaining an end joint stagger of a minimum of 6 inches. So on my next piece, I'll drop it in. Use my hand roller, roll it in, start with the full piece, hit the end joint, and simply let it fall right into place. Use my hand roller. Roll as you go. And continue your next piece. After completion of the Konecto flooring, you want to roll your Konecto flooring with a 100-pound roller in both directions, both length and width.